Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find out everyday battery charging history of iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the App Store and just search for one application named as Battery Life Checker, and now you will see here below Battery Life Checker. Just click on it. As I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and after that just click on open. Now you will see this kind of user interface. So I'm not gonna discuss all the features it's gonna provide. I will directly focus in the topic. So here you can see a search history, so just click on it. So now you can see here the charging track record. So you can see on the respective day how much I have charged my iPhone battery. So you can clearly see the indication here. So different layouts for different days. So you can keep tracking every day by using this applications. So by using this cool application named as Battery Life Checker, you can easily find out everyday battery charging history of iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.